In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a course on Udemy. First, open your web browser and go to the Udemy website. If you already have an account, make sure you're signed in so your purchase is saved to the right profile. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one using your email and a secure password before checking out. This only takes a minute, and it ensures you can access your course anytime in the future. Once you're on Udemy's homepage, use the search bar at the top to find the course you want. You can type in a topic like web development, photography, or Excel. Or you can search for a specific course title if you already know it. Press Enter, and you'll see a list of matching courses. Take a moment to scan through the results and choose the one that best fits what you're looking for. Click on the course title to open its main page. Here, you'll see a detailed description, what you'll learn, the course curriculum, and reviews from other students. It's a good idea to scroll through this page and quickly check a few key things. The overall rating, how many people have taken the course, when it was last updated, and whether the topics covered match your goals. You can also watch the free preview lectures to get a feel for the instructor's teaching style before you commit. If you're happy with the course and ready to buy, look for the purchase section on the right side of the page. You'll see the current price and a button that says something like, Buy Now. Click that button to move to the checkout page. If there's a discount code you want to use, there's usually a field where you can paste it before you pay. On the checkout page, choose your preferred payment method. Udemy typically supports major credit and debit cards, and in many regions, it also accepts services like PayPal or other local options. Carefully enter your payment details and double-check that the course name and final price are correct. When everything looks good, confirm the payment. After your payment goes through, Udemy will add the course to your account. To start learning, go to My Learning or your course library from the top menu, and you'll see the course listed there. Click it, and you can begin watching the lectures right away, at your own pace, with lifetime access tied to your account.